What's up guys, my name is Rafael Jagay and welcome back to another Destiny video where today we're gonna be doing tricks on the moon. So, let me use my warlock here, also with the bike, and here's one trick. That's kind of a barrel roll, this is a kind of a backflip, I don't know. That is definitely a backflip. This is a barrel roll. Oh, a triple barrel roll. That is also a barrel roll. Let's see if I can do a front flip. I can. And my sparrow's gone. Woo! Oh yeah. And it's gone again. Front flip. Back flip. Oh yeah. Left barrel roll. Oh. Let's do that again. Do that again. Left barrel roll. And looks like we got our first nope. And yeah, that's tricks on the moon. Oh, I have a good idea to end out this video. So guys, that was Tricks on the Moon. Don't forget to like, subscribe. My name is Rafa Jagay. Jumping into the hell mob. Peace out.